Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add an image. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do, if this is your first time in Droyo, just click on the start button. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding an image or adding images here to your Droyo diagram is a great way to enhance its visual appeal or illustrate concepts more effectively. So once you are logged into your Droyo account on the web version, or if you open the Droyo from your computer, the Droyo application, the first thing is go to the file section on the upper left corner. You have an option here to, for example, import from. Now you have multiple options to import or add image via the Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, GitHub, GitLab, and your browser or the device which is referring to your computer. I'm gonna click on the device, and then what will happen is I will have the option to add an image, right, via my computer. It's very easy. Now the next thing is you want to make sure if you want to upload or add an image via the Google Drive, all you have to do is click the Google Drive, select a file from your computer. For example, I'm gonna be choosing this, right? Click this file. Takes a little while to load. All right, just wait for it. All right, so for example, I'm going to be choosing this. Click on select, wait for it, and it will be added to your Droyo dashboard. Right, it's very easy. And then if you wanted to add an image via the OneDrive, it's very easy as well. Click on the OneDrive, and you'll be forwarded to the files. For example, click the recent if you want, or shared, or any of the following options, and click on open. It's very easy. Now, the idea is that you can also add in screenshots, diagrams, charts, or diagrams here in Droyo. And from here, once you have imported the file, you have now multiple options to adjust it. For example, drag and resize. You can put in the style. You can add in a border right here. For example, the border is going to be white, but thing is, you can increase the border width. All right, you see that? You can adjust any of the following dependent on your preferences and likeness. This is especially helpful if you're working with multiple freelancers, because if you want to share this file to your client or to your team members, all right, this will reinforce your brand identity within the diagram. All right, because using consistent imagery across diagrams ensure that all visuals match your company's or your client's project aesthetic style, maintaining professionalism and coherence. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.